Hi everyone, welcome back to Tereza's Choice Kitchen. I feel like a weather representative, rep anchor. Totally. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tereza's Choice Kitchen. Today we are making a deconstructed dessert, which is basically a plate filled with baked apples and topped with a beautiful crispy maple granola. As you know, my recipes are very seasonal, so you can jazz it up, change the apples to whatever fruit you have on hand. It's also mixed up with some almond butter right here and yogurt, which you can change to coconut yogurt as well. Let's get started. Firstly, peel the 2 apples. You can use any variety or even change it to other seasonal fruit. Next up, cut them into smaller chunks. Transfer to a baking dish and cover with vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. Leave aside and move to your granola making. Make a big batch as you can use it for breakfast as well. 200 grams of oats and 200 grams of hazelnuts and a bit of vanilla extract. Pulse until you get a chunkier consistency. Now add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or any other oil you prefer. 4 tablespoons of maple syrup and mix again. Transfer onto a baking dish and bake the granola at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, stirring every now and then so it doesn't burn. The apples will need to bake for about 30 to 40 minutes until soft. Serve it on a plate or a dessert glass with yogurt, baked apples. Be creative and decorate it in your style. Top with the crispy granola, sliced apples, and now for my favorite part, top with a big spoon of almond butter. Look at this, it's dessert and breakfast all in one. Can't wait to try it. I love the softness of the apples and the crispiness of the granola. It's like a deconstructed crumble. Yum. My sweet tooth is satisfied.